Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have another Polish ration. Now this is the S-R-1, 1 being the menu number, and yeah, let's check this thing out. All right, let's have a close look at it. All right, so right on the front, we have lot number or pack number 1, and this is S-R-1, 1 being the menu number or pack number. And if we turn it on its side, we have the contents list, and the main menu or the main entree is a beans and tomato sauce. You get 300 grams of that, and it's the only spoiler you're gonna get. And this ration was made by Arpol, which I believe make all the military Polish rations. And this one expires on November 30th of 2018, so it's still very fresh, still very good. And that's pretty much it. Let's check out the back. Nothing on the back. The bag is a thick plastic, very similar to the MREs. I would say just about the same thickness. So should withstand anything, being thrown off a plane, you know, all that stuff. So yeah, let's get this thing opened up and check it out. All right, let's get this thing opened up. We'll use our Tuya knife. And if you want to get one, the link will be in the description box. Let's open this up. Cuts like butter. All right, first thing we have an accessory pack. Let's see what's in here. A little baggie. We have a Be Fresh moist towelette. We have some mint gum. We have pepper and salt, a coffee candy or coffee candy. We have a vitamin C candy, some napkins or toilet paper, some extra napkins or toilet paper, and we have a large trash bag or just something to keep your extras. Very nice. And we have a can of pork, and this stuff is great. Some of the best canned pork I've ever had is the Polish stuff. We have a package of S-R-1 special biscuits. Very nice. We have a nice container of honey. Love this stuff. We have a spoon and napkin. So lots of napkins. Can't go wrong with that. And we have a fruit bar, and I'm not sure what type it is or what flavor it is. It's kind of hard to translate, but these are great. All right, and we have a straw, which is, I think, unique to the Polish ration. So always a plus to have different items. Here we have some more special biscuits. So you get 2 packets of that. And here we have the main entree, and it comes wrapped in this cardboard sleeve. And I believe this is beans and tomato sauce and some type of pork, maybe a pork sausage. Not 100%, but yeah, very nice. All right, and we have some instant tea. And here we have the flameless ration heater, and this thing is massive. It's got a giant heating pad, so it should give out a ton of heat. And yeah, that's it. All right, so plenty of components in this one. I'm very surprised. Not sure what the straw is for. I'm guessing that's for the tea. Just in case you don't want to drink out of the package, you just use your straw. Very interesting feature. I've never seen that in a ration. Hey, whatever works. So yeah, let's get this stuff plated up and try it out. All right, let's heat up our main entree, and we'll use our flameless chemical heater. We'll see how it works, how well it performs. And as you can see, it's very large. It's got a nice heating pad. Tear open. Let's get our main entree. There you have the fill line. That looks like the right amount. And we'll activate the heating pad. Make sure it's soaked in that water. And there it is. I don't know if you can hear it. All right. And we'll stick in a cardboard sleeve. And there we go. Yeah, Yeah, this thing's got plenty of juice, so should cook the food and make it nice and hot for us. So we'll give that about 10 or 15 minutes and we'll get back to it. All right, let's prepare the tea. And I believe you need about 250 mils or just about under 9 ounces of water. So let's prepare it. There it is. Let's have a closer look at it. And as you can see, the tea just looks like pellets. So let's prepare it. Let's mix it up. Use our cup. We'll skip the straw for now. Yeah, that's all of it. All right, there it is. Kind of smells like strawberries. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a really good tea. Has a mild sweetness and flavor, but it's still really good. All right, we have our special biscuits. Open them up. All right, there you have the special biscuits or Panzer waffles. And yeah, these things are bulletproof. All right, let's get something to eat. All right, let's open up the canned pork. Got a nice pull tab. And there you can see the expiration date. So it has a long shelf life. Let's open it up. Oh yeah, check that out. There's the canned pork. See some gelatin, some fat. Let's get a taste. Oh yeah, check that out. Yeah, that looks really good. My mouth is watering, so let's try it. Wow. Yeah, what can I say? You can't go wrong with Polish canned pork. Some of the best pork you've ever had. I've said it before and I'll say it again. That stuff is at least 10 times better than Spam. It's very soft and tender. It almost melts in your mouth. But yeah, that stuff is unreal. It's excellent. Let's check out the special biscuit. Give it a try. Yeah, that's definitely my favorite crackers or biscuits. They have a slight sweetness and you definitely get a taste of those caraway seeds. Very nice. Now this is where it really shines. We'll try with the pork. We'll go lefty this time. And there you have it. All right. Yeah, that is a winning combination. You can't go wrong with that. Let's try some of this Polish honey. See what it's all about. And it comes in this nice aluminum container. All right, let's open it up. Oh yeah. And as you can see, it's crystallized and that's perfectly fine. Let's give it a try. All right. That is really nice, very sweet, very smooth. Some of the best honey I've had. That European stuff is amazing. Let's try it with the cracker or biscuit. Let's try with the Panzer waffle. All right, we're making a mess. Let's try it. Yeah, that definitely goes well with the special biscuits. It's a very nice little snack. Let's check out the straw. All right, let's get a sip. All right, the straw works very well. All right, let's have a look at the fruit bar. And as you can see, it's covered in rice paper. There's the fruit. Let's split it in half. Oh, yeah. There you have the rice paper. Let's try it. Yeah, no real taste to it. All right, there you have the fruit bar. And I believe this is a cranberry fruit bar. Let's try it. Yeah, that's definitely a cranberry fruit bar. Very natural taste. And it does taste like granola or oats. So yeah, excellent. All right, I think our main entree is ready, nice and hot. Hot to the touch. Let's open it up. All right, so we finally got it open. It was a bit of a struggle, which is a good indication that everything is properly sealed and safe to eat. Let's get it onto our tray. All right. Wow, that is a really nice portion. Here you can see the beans. That looks like pork and sausage. You can see the nice thick tomato sauce. So everything's nice and warm. It's not too hot. Everything looks just right. All right, so let's try the beans and the sauce. All right, down the hatch. Yeah, that's pretty good. Let's try a piece of sausage. If we can get it. There we have the sausage. Let's go for it. That definitely has good flavor to it. Could use a little bit of seasoning, so let's add some salt and pepper. Add some pepper. Add some salt. All right, let's give it a little mix. Stir. Let's grab a chunk of pork this time. Oh yeah, check that out. Nice chunk of pork. All right. Yeah, brings out that flavor, that smokiness from the sausage and the savory pork. This is a very hearty, very stick to your ribs type of meal. And yeah, I'm loving it. Let's try another piece of sausage. All right, down the hatch. Wow. Yeah, this sausage is very tender, almost like a Vienna sausage. It's very good, very savory, excellent meal. Not bad. All right, so we have these left, and this is the coffee candy, and it's just hard candy that tastes like coffee. It's actually really good, but I've had this a few times, so I'll save it for later. And the gum just tastes like mint gum or spearmint, and you get 2 little pellets. I'll save these for later as well. So I guess we can try this one. This is the vitamin C candy. This one looks like strawberry or cherry. Let's try it. Yeah, that kind of tastes like a strawberry or cherry Tootsie Pop. So yeah, not bad. All right, guys, that wraps it up. This was the Polish S-R-1. Excellent ration, nothing bad about it. My only complaint is that could have used a coffee or maybe just another drink. Yeah, overall, an excellent ration, top notch. Most of the European rations are excellent quality, and this one is no exception. On a scale from 1 to 10, I would have to give this a solid 8.5 out of 10. It's a must try. Go out and get it. So go out and get it. And I just want to thank all of you that purchased my ration, and that goes out to Traversing Food, Days 45 Auto, Marilyn, and Andovarius. Happy birthday. I'm not sure if I said that correctly, but thank you all for buying my custom ration. I'm sold out, and if you missed out and want to purchase one, I should have them available sometime next month, so early September, I would say. I'll keep you guys posted. Yeah, if you want to purchase a Sticky Fingers 745 t-shirt, I have them for sale. Link is down below. Really helps out the channel. So as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.